Hi, in this how-to video, I'm going to show you as an administrator how to create parent-child skill relationships inside Go Site Ready for the purpose of VOC, Verification of Competency. This is a great way of accurately reflecting complex skill requirements and improving your competency tracking. First, it's important to ensure that all skills are entered into the skills library. In this case, I'm going to add the skills required for the parent DOSA and then the skills that will be the child skills related to that. So let's get started. You have the option for date or hours. In this case, I'm going to leave it as date, and I'm actually going to put VOC parent in the title for this one. You don't need to. Actually, I'm going to make it all capitals because it looks a lot better like that. If you know what it is, you can just have it as DOSA, but for the purpose of this video, I am going to put it as the VOC parent DOSA. Now, we don't add anything else in here because hours only relates to the skill type of hours, and we've chosen date. Competency definition. Now, this must be verification of competency for the parent skill. So we click that and click save. And now we go through and we add our child skills. So our next one is VOC child, and it is we'll put DOSA logbook. And then we would enter how many hours are required. For today, I'm just going to add 20. And then it's important to note that you can choose certificate, induction, or training, but you cannot choose verification of competency for the child skills. In this one, I'm going to just choose training and click save. And then we start to build from there. So I'm just going to add in the remaining skills required for completion of DOSA VOC. Okay, so I've just added all of the required skills in relation to the parent skill DOSA. I have here the child skills. Now what we're going to do is actually link those up. So here is my VOC parent DOSA. I'm going to open that, and you'll notice this tab here called child skills. Now we're going to enter our child skills. Yep. So we have this one. And those are finished being added now. So as you can see here, we have our parent skill, the DOSA, with the child skills that need to be completed before the parent skill will be finalized. We also added in a skill that was based on hours, and we have some skills that were based on dates. So just to reiterate those ones, the logbook one here, we chose hours and we entered in 20 hours, and the practical assessment we had as a date and we left the hours blank. And that's how easy it is to create parent-child relationships to help with your competencies. It's that easy. Thanks for watching.